the fairest of them all? Everybody's looking at each other, wondering what they got that you don't got. Wearing, comparing, ooh la la, what's she wearing? Everyone's sizing up one another, trying to figure out what's hot and what's not. He said, she said, OMG girl, I wouldn't be caught in. The whole world's looking at you, telling you you're small, tearing you down, keeping you guessing, setting you up to fall. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? It's you, it's me, that's us, we're all pretty. Why can't we just get along? We can all be the princess of the ball. It's you, it's me, that's us, we're all pretty. We're all pretty. Quit comparing us, we're all unique. We can all dress up, or we can dress down. Yeah, for a night out on the town. Here we go, girl. We can throw our hair up in a messy bun. Take it easy on the couch, with no makeup on. Just hanging out. Girl, you're beautiful.